Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. I'm Kaiser if you're new here, and thank you so much for tuning in. Today I'm going to show you guys how I got this birthday beat. I'm 28 today. Yesterday was my 28th birthday, but I want to show you guys how I ate this look up. Again, very corny, but I had to. Absolutely in love with this base, and if you want to know how I achieved it, continue watching. I'm going to use the Milk Hydro Grip Primer. I used this yesterday on my actual birthday, and I really liked how my makeup turned out. And on top of that, it really did help in minimizing the appearance of smile lines and also the production of oils on my nose. I actually get really oily and also sweat from my nose, so the milk really tried to grip onto every single thing it possibly could. We're going to use two primers today. So I've just applied the Milk Hydro Grip Primer onto my face in like a reverse triangle way. Here, but really focusing that on my eyes and my nose. I did not apply any on my forehead because we're going to go in with the Refy primer. This is the Blur and Hydrate primer, if I'm correct. The way this just makes my face look like butter, insane. Pores don't lift here when I apply this. Everything goes on so smoothly. It's so good. Let me actually apply a bit more, especially on my forehead as well. It literally looks poreless. I'm gonna just rub that in. This is where we're about to play some games. This is my trusty dandy concealers from Kosas. They're really hydrating. This is a different formula, more full coverage, a bit more on the matte side, I think, compared to this is how I feel like it looks on everyone that I've tried. It is a bit more mattifying. We're gonna try. We're gonna play. We're gonna start off quite light and see. We're gonna go in with the shade Teak 9.5, and yeah, let's apply that on. I like to underpaint always. So you're going to see me apply all my concealers, contours, blush before I even think about maybe applying a base product like a foundation or a skin tint. That's if I'm really wanting to take it there. And it is a birthday makeup look, so we can take it there today. We can do that if we wanted to. But you'll see, it'll come together. It'll come together. So we're going to apply... Oh, this is a lovely shade. Okay, definitely I'm supposed to be more light-handed because I know this is full coverage. I may not even have to apply anything else after this. I really love this. This is from Elf Cosmetics and it's their Camo Liquid Bronze and Contour. It just looks so lovely. It literally looks like my skin tone when I have a beautiful tan, and the type of tan that you get on holiday, by the way, not the type of tan I get when I'm in London, the type of tan when I get on holiday. Basically it just looks so nice and golden. Apply that here, a bit on the eyelids as well. This helps because you guys know me, I'm always running away from doing eyeshadow. So apply a bit of bronzer on your eyelids, bit of shimmer, you're good to go. I'm going to use this brush. This is actually from H&M. It's an angled blusher brush. I prefer to use this to blend out my bronzers. As I've told you for many years, I like to just use brushes how I see fit, and that's the fun bit about makeup. You don't need to follow the instructions. You can use a blush brush to contour. You can use a highlighting brush to set your makeup. When I blend out my bronzer, I blend upwards, I should say. We're now going to play around with the concealer. We've let it sit for a good amount of time. We're going to use this brush. This is by Mulak and it's their Spotlight. If I'm correct, I think this is actually a highlighting brush as well. I don't think it's made for concealer, but it's so good. Oh wow, okay. This is definitely not a concealer you let sit for too long. I can tell that that would not have had an easier time to move around my face if I let it sit for even a second longer onto my face. But so far, the coverage on this is insane. I see why people like it. I see why people like it so far. This is coming out really nice. So lovely. This is definitely birthday coverage approved. Pause what we're doing and we're going to blend out the eyelids and then my nose. We want to blend from the eyes to the nose. I forgot that we had a bit of bronzer left in there. You definitely do not need this amount of concealer. The concealer is a very full coverage, full bodied girl, like I assumed in the beginning, and I still went a bit crazy. Look at the difference in the under eyes. Wow, you can't even tell that it's been a week of no sleep. Without picking up any more products, I'm going to go back into the bronzer brush and use any of the products that's there to just warm up the face a bit more. So we're just going to apply that all over, even tap it lightly onto some of the places we applied the concealer, which is especially underneath the cheeks, just to give me some warmth. We're now going to apply some blush, everyone's favorite step, and I'm going to go in with one of my favorite formulas. This is by Danessa Myricks, and it's her Yummy Skin formula as well, so it's got Upsolite as well, and sensational. I'm going to go in with the shade Golden Hour and Prima Donna. I'm going to apply Golden Hour first and Prima Donna just on top to give it a bit more pink. I'm going to take my Makeup by Mario brush in the number F4, and I like to apply this on the high points of my cheeks. Play around with your face shape and you will know where the best is, whether high up like this, on the apples of your cheek, even across like that. Hey, play around, see what works, see what sticks. That's why I did want to take Golden Hour first, because of the orange. It's going to really help in kind of still giving me that bronzed look to my makeup as well. That warmth, I should say, is going to really make the makeup look really nice and warm. So, and I like to apply a blush a bit everywhere. It just looks so lovely, especially an orange type of shade blush always works, especially with our skin tone. It looks divine. We're now going to take shade Prima Donna and just apply that a bit higher, just like that. I like to apply a bit on the nose, just a bit into the eyes, just like that. Same brush again, we haven't picked anything up again, and we're just going to kind of just sink that in together, you know, really just like a marriage, you know, just make sure it's merged together, no harsh lines. Again, I don't want you to see where anything starts or stops. Just ever so lightly just merge the concealer and the blush together. I'm now going to set all of that in place. We're going to take my trusty Huda Beauty powder, but this is in the shade Canufa. Now normally I use Blondie, however I feel like Blondie just hasn't been working for me. I've been looking quite ashy and that just ain't right. Okay, so we're going to take this. I'm definitely more tanned, so that could be a really big reason. And yeah, I like to take this brush right here. This is by Kaisercoby, and if I'm correct, I think it's also a highlighting brush, but I use this to actually set my concealer. Picks up a good amount of powder and doesn't disrupt the makeup. I always make sure to set my eyebrows as well, because I like to use a lot of product on them. I use brow products on them, so we don't want that to disappear neither if I'm sweating, so we like to set that too. We're going to also apply some underneath the cheeks. You know why we're doing this. This is what's going to help in making sure that cheekbones is popping. So the stage that we're at now is the set it stage. So every single liquid that we applied onto the face, we're going to set it. I applied concealer and I set that with a setting powder. I applied liquid bronzer and I'm going to set that as well with a powder bronzer, and the same thing with blush. And this is what's going to help in the longevity of the makeup and also making sure you look absolutely flawless for literally the whole day and whole night. Okay, so you hardly are going to need to do any touch-ups when you follow these steps. I'm now going to apply my powder bronzer. This is by NARS. This is actually a summer duo kit, so the shade that's in here is a bit different to the Laguna bronzers. I feel like the Laguna bronzers kind of pull a bit more red. I'm going to apply this, basically the same process as well, the same principle everywhere where we applied the bronzer. I like to go in with a less dense, fluffier angled brush to do so. We're going to go in circles, apply it into the hairline again, doing the same thing on this side. I'm now going to also apply this onto my nose bridge and around my nose. Sweep that across the eyelids again. I'm now going to blend all of that out. This is my angled powder by My Kit Co. Absolutely love this brush. So it looks like this is a powder brush and it's angled and it's just so good at just merging those powders together. Really just, you know, reducing the lines of demarcation that's going on, making everything look nice, soft, and just sink into the skin. We want all the definition on the face to also look effortless. I don't want people to know that, oh my, you know, I can really tell where her makeup starts and stops. Yes, you can tell I'm wearing makeup. There's no crime in that, but I don't want you to, you know, be able to really see the amount of work I put into it. It should just look effortless. I'm now going to apply my powder blush. Again, this is going to help set my cream blush. Absolutely love this. It's by Revolution in the shade Risking It Coral. Really affordable. I love Revolution and I feel like their products just really work. Look at that. Look. Oh, guys. Look at that pop. Look at that pop. Insane. So pigmented. We didn't even pick up that much. Now you can be a bit carefree when it comes to blush because it's blush, you know. That's the one thing I don't really mind if people can tell I have a bit on, you know. It's just the contour and the highlighting. But blush is fun. Nobody can tell me otherwise, okay? Blush is fun. So I received this in the mail about a month or two ago. And I was like, okay, so how am I going to use this? How do I want to use this? Because I love the shade. But it's a bit rich for my skin tone to use it as a highlighter. And then I realized it's really hard to find illuminating bronzers for our skin tone. I said, hold up. 1 + 1 is 2. We can just use this. I use my bronzer. So whatever product is left on the bronzer, a light sweep of this, a light sweep. Sensational. You can tell there's now a beautiful warm glow to my cheeks and I just really love that. But look at that beautiful glow, that beautiful warmth it gives the skin. Wow. Wow. Just gonna apply a bit onto the inner corners of the eyes just to really make that eyes pop, as you guys can see. Back in with this brush again, whatever's left on, blend that all together. We're now going to finish up the makeup look. We've done the set it stage. We're now going to do the finishing touches. It's the Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the shade number 3. So I like to evenly coat that and then I dab off any excess onto the back of my hands. And I'm now going to just press that in. Look at what that's already done. It's so smooth, so blurring. We're really working that in. Really pressing that into the skin. So we haven't picked up any more powder. We're just using whatever's left to just go over all the areas where I want that blur effect. Now remember, this is the finishing touches step. So this is literally just using whatever's left on the brushes to do the work. We're not picking up any more products. No. So whatever product is left of the Danessa Myricks blush, just to lightly tap over my cheeks. Just bring some life back into the skin. This is why it's good to just sit down, press record, and just do your makeup. We're going to use the Airbrush Setting Spray. This is a fixing spray and setting spray all in one. The way it binds your makeup together, insane. We're now going to make sure that's dry. This came out even better than my birthday makeup. And this was my birthday makeup recreation. I'm going to just show you guys what it really looks like when we do the lashes and the lips. Give me 2 seconds. Now we're finished. This is the look all come together. And I am absolutely in love. It was so fun having you guys along with this whole process. It just, you know, it really made my birthday. I hope to see you guys in my next video. Every single product I use will be in the description bar down below. It will also be linked in my Shopify as well. So I'll put the link to that down below for you guys. Makes life and shopping a bit easier. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye, friends.